Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be talking about Crypto.com's earn section. So it says you can earn up to 8% per annual on your crypto and up to 12% per annual for stablecoins, but you can actually get paid up to 18%, as you can see right here. They changed the advertising. It used to say like 16 or 18 up here, but they changed it. Um, but yeah, I'm actually earning 18% on my CRO right now. It's with a 3 month stake, so you have to lock it in for 3 months, and you can earn 18% on this cryptocurrency, their own cryptocurrency of CRO. And as you can see, it says simple interest paid weekly in your crypto. So Bitcoin deposits interest is paid in Bitcoin. If you have 1,000 or less CRO stake, which means if you have the Ruby Red debit card or less, this is what you'll be earning. 6% on supported coins. So you guys can basically read these and look at these. I'm not going to read them all out. You can pause the video right here if you want to see what 1,000 or less CRO stake is, or you can go on the website that I'll link down in the description of my referral code. And by the way, if you use my referral code for crypto.com, you will receive $50 for free, and so will I. So it's a great way to support my channel and a great way for you to get $50 free in CRO in crypto. So the way that you earn the $50 to unlock it, though, after using my referral, is by staking for a Ruby Red debit card. So you have to stake 1,000 CRO, and then it'll unlock your $50 for you to do whatever you want with it, and it will unlock the $50 for me also, so I can get access to $50, and you'll get $50 too. The 1,000 CRO currently is around $150. So if you have around $150 either in US dollars or whatever your currency is, or if you have it in crypto, you can exchange it for CRO and then stake the Ruby Red to get $50 free in CRO. And then you can always sell that or move it off the app or exchange it for a different cryptocurrency and move it off the app. But anyways, as you can see, the benefits are buffed up, I think by 2%, so 6, 10, 16, yeah, 2% buffed if you have 10,000 or more CRO staked. So that is if you have the Indigo Green and the Royal Indigo combo or whatever, the cards here, and they go to it actually, I'll just show you guys. If you have the Jade Green or the Royal Indigo, yeah. Because those are 10,000 CRO to stake, then you'll be earning this interest. So 1 month, 16%, flexible is 14%. So honestly, let's say the market's moving a lot and you just don't want to risk it for putting in CRO or supported coins or stable coins. I guess supported coins or CRO, right? You don't want to risk it, so you'd rather do flexible. You can get up to 4% on supported coins, which these are all supported coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all of these. It also shows the stable coins down here. For me, I actually am locking in CRO just because the interest is so high and it's so nice. And you get some benefits too if you stake. If you put 3 month of CRO of 10,000 or more in, that's also a benefit. But these on the top right here are talking about like crypto card stakes. I'm pretty sure. Not. But I think this also works if you have it staked in the earn section, not just the debit card section. So personally, I am staking CRO for 3 months at 18%. It's working out pretty well. I've actually also staked USD coin on here, and I did a 3 month term, so I was earning 12%. If you have the Icy White or Rose Gold debit card, let me show you actually. Icy White or Frosted Rose Gold, then you actually earn an extra 2% in crypto earn. That'll be paid in CRO though. For example, if you have a 3 month stake in USD coin, let's say, and you're getting 12%, you'll actually get plus 2%, but paid in CRO. So it'll be 14% in total, but 2% of it will be paid in CRO. The other 12% will be paid in USD coin. It'll be applied to everything. So plus 2% in CRO, plus 2%, but it will not add it to the CRO stake. This 18% will not move up to 20%. It'll still stay at 18%. So that's basically all I wanted to tell you guys. I mean, the Crypto Earn is a cool platform you can use to earn. So Crypto Earn is a pretty cool section on this app that you can earn free money. Like you just stake it with them, which you do have to realize crypto.com is a centralized platform. It's a company. So you are trusting this company with your money. You do have to confirm some things that say, you won't have access to this money. You give us the right to use this money, because they also have loans. So basically, I'm pretty sure it works with the earn section. As you can see, there's credit right here. So it's like loans and stuff. So people take out loans and pay interest on those loans, and then you'll also loan out money for people to get those loans, and you earn interest. So as you can see in the bottom, that's the earn additional 2% or in fixed term. So you stake 100,000 CRO. So anyways, that's all I really needed to tell you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to use my referral link down in the description for crypto.com. You'll get $50 free, and so will I. It's a really high amount, and all you have to do is not even buy a red debit card, but just stake for it. So you have to stake $150 worth at the current prices for 6 months. After the 6 months, you can take the money out, and you'll get to keep the $50 free and keep all your money that you deposited in there to get the Ruby Red debit card. So it's a great deal. So yeah, see you guys later in the next video.